Hello, this video tutorial will demonstrate getting started with ClassLink Quick Cards. First, we'll begin by showing how a teacher can print their students' Quick Cards. On your teacher MacBook, please locate and find the BPS bookmarks in the upper left-hand corner. Then click on the last option of BPS ClassLink. You will see the following screen. Please click Sign In with Google. If prompted, tap on your Google account. You will be taken to your ClassLink dashboard page. Please find the Class Quick Cards icon and give it a tap. Next, you will see all of your Aspen classes. Please locate the class you need cards for and click Quick Card. Then, at the top of the next screen, click Print. Here is a preview of what the Quick Cards will look like when printed. Next, we will go over how students will use Quick Cards to access ClassLink on their iPads. On a student iPad, please locate the ClassLink app and give it a tap. The first time a student uses this app, they will need to enter in Burlington in order to find our ClassLink page. They will then tap Sign In with Quick Card and say OK to give permission to their camera. You may have to turn the camera around to see the card on the table or the desk. Once it is seen by the camera, you can tap on any of the apps seen here. Let's show how we tap to get into ST Math. And once you're done with the app, you can tap on Done in the upper left-hand corner. And that's how to use ClassLink Quick Cards to access your apps. Thank you.